Good morning and assalamu alaikum and welcome to Manal's Learning Point. So, in my previous video, we have discussed from chapter number 2, Sindh textbook board Jamshiro, system of real numbers, exponents, and radicals. We have discussed question number 1 till 4 in my previous video, and now in this video, we're going to discuss question number 5 till 7 because these three questions are similar to each other following the similar method. So, let's begin the video, but before that I just wanted to apologize from you all because in order to explain you all I'm using an app and I'm writing out with my finger, so I was facing some problem with solving the solutions. So let's begin it. So over here on my screen you can see exercise 2.3, and from this exercise we're just gonna solve question number 5 till 7. So let's see what's the question. 3 raised to 7 and 3 raised to square is a question for question number 5. So over here, in order to solve these questions, we need to revise the concept of law of indices, and from those law of indices, we're just going to emphasize over quotient of power. Law of quotient of power. This law means that whenever we are having any base with an indice, and we are having it in a divisional form, because if we just focus on the word quotient, we can recognize that this term is used for division. So whenever we are having any question either in the form of division in horizontal order, or either we are having in the form of fraction, we just going to follow the same method. So quotient of power also follows another rule, that in order to solve these questions, what we need to do, that we need to shift the power which is in denominator towards the numerator, and as the power in denominator, that is square, is in positive value, when it will go upwards the numerator, it will change its sign, and it will become negative. So you can see in red color as well that in square, when it will go upwards to solve the question, it will change its sign. Over here it's positive, over here it will go and it will change its sign towards negative. So we are going to say that 3 raised to 7 minus 2 and 3 raised to 5 will be our answer, but we need to expand this value. So sorry. And we are going to get the value of 243. So this is our answer for question number 5. Now let's proceed towards question number 6, which is minus 4 whole power 4 and divided by minus 4 whole square. So over here, firstly we need to remember that whenever we are having in bracket and outside the bracket we are having an exponent or a power or an indice. So what we need to do, that whatever the characters or whatever the elements which are present inside the bracket, the power will be applied to each one of them. For example, we are having minus 4 under power of 4. So power 4 is with minus as well and with 4 as well. So firstly we are going to solve this power. So in order to solve this power, we will say that minus the power of minus with 4 is plus. So we will not write plus, and firstly we're just gonna solve the sign. So 4, and when this power over here, the power is 1. So when we multiply with 1 with 4, this will be 4 raised to 4, and over here this will be 4 squared. So now same method, it will go upwards. You can see in red color as well that this power will go upwards because we are writing same basis and different powers, and we are following the law of quotient of power. So 4 minus 2, this will be 4 square, and then when we will expand this power, we will get 16 out of it. So the answer for question number 6 is 16. Now let's proceed towards question number 7, which is the last question of our video. Okay, so question number 7 will be, I'm writing in the question, a9 divided by a square. I'm so sorry for the writing. I'm writing with my finger and I'm facing very problem. Okay. So over here, same basis in different powers. So according to question of power, we are going to take this power upwards, and it will be a 9 minus 2, which will be a 7. So this is the answer for our last question of the video as well. So I hope that all the 3 questions must be clear to you all, and you must have revised the concepts related to law of indices as well. So in the end, I would just like to say that if you just like my video, if you have understood the concepts better, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified from my new uploaded videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.